Did you know that 37% of projects fail because managers don't track their progress? That's like driving a car without checking your fuel gauge. You might run out before reaching your destination. But don't worry, today I'll show you a simple way to keep your project on track using earned value, EV. Stay with me till the end, and you'll learn to calculate EV like a pro. Let's get started. Before going forward, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. First, let's understand what is earned value, EV, in project management. Earned value is like having a scorecard for your project. It helps you figure out how well your project is doing. You do this by looking at three important things: what you plan to do, what you've actually done, and how much you spent. Imagine you're planning a party with a $500 budget. Earned value, EV, is like a scorecard that helps you check what you plan to do, what you actually did, how much you spent. Now, let's break it down into three key terms. First, planned value, PV. It is what you plan to spend. Second, actual cost, AC. It is what you actually spent. Third, earned value, EV. It is worth of the work completed. Now, let's calculate earned value. Let's get back to our party example. You planned a budget of $500, completed $200 worth of tasks, and spent $150. Let's calculate. PV, planned value, is $500, that is your initial budget. EV, earned value, is $200, that is the value of what you've done. AC, actual cost, is $150, that is the real money spent. First, let's calculate earned value, EV. The formula is earned value, EV, equals percent of completed work times planned value. Example, if a task is 50% complete, and the planned value for the task is $500, then EV equals 0.5x $500 equals $250. Next, we will calculate schedule variance, SV. The formula is schedule variance, SV, equals earned value, EV, planned value, PV. SV equals $250 to $500 equals minus $250. Negative means you're behind schedule. Next, we will calculate cost variance, CV. The formula is cost variance, CV, equals earned value, EV, actual cost, AC. CV equals $250 to $150 equals $100. Positive means you're saving money. Next is the Schedule Performance Index, SPI. The formula is Schedule Performance Index, SPI, equals earned value, EV, divided by planned value, PV. SPI equals $250 divided by $500 equals 0.5, less than 1 means you're behind schedule. Last is the Cost Performance Index, CPI. The formula is Cost Performance Index, CPI, equals earned value, EV, divided by actual cost, AC. CPI equals $250 divided by $150 equals 1.67, more than 1 means you're spending efficiently. Understanding earned value in these superhero metrics helps you steer your project ship. If schedule variance, SV, and cost variance, CV, are positive, you're on a good course. If the Schedule Performance Index, SPI, and Cost Performance Index, CPI, are close to 1, you're cruising smoothly. It's like having a compass and a treasure map for your project adventure. Next, let's look at the benefits of using earned value in project management. First, risk anticipation and early fixes. Earned value, EV, helps project managers spot problems before they get worse. If the Cost Performance Index, CPI, is below 1, it means the project is spending too much money. Catching this early allows quick corrections. Next, better efficiency and higher profits. Earned value, EV, helps managers find mistakes and fix them quickly. If EV is much higher than actual cost, AC, it means the project is running efficiently and giving a good return on investment, ROI. Next, realistic project planning. Earned value, EV, helps in planning budgets and timelines wisely. If a project is supposed to cost $100,000 in 6 months but after 3 months, the EV is only $40,000, it means the project is falling behind schedule. Next, accurate performance tracking. Earned value, EV, acts like a progress report for a project. If the Schedule Performance Index, SPI, is less than 1, it means the project is not moving as fast as planned. This helps in taking corrective steps. Last but not the least, keeping budget and schedule on track. Earned value, EV, gives a clear picture of spending and deadlines. If actual cost, AC, is more than earned value, EV, it means the project is over budget, and action is needed to control costs. That's it. So, the next time you're managing a project, don't drive blind. Use earned value to check where you are, adjust if needed, and stay on the road to success. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video.